Hi, I'm Roger Milford. I'm the CEO of AiDANT Intelligent Technology. We put analytics directly onto cameras, and we specialize in doing things that are really special for access. We have a number of products. The first one we'll show you here is AiDANT Care. AiDANT Care is based on being able to detect whether a patient is in bed, whether they get out of bed, or whether a nurse is in the room. So in this case, if this person had to climb out of the bed, they would become yellow. If they were to fall, we'd get an orange block around the person for a few seconds, and then it would trigger that they've fallen and show red and send that notification to the nurse. We can tell if the patient has been out of bed for longer than is expected to. So if they go to the washroom at 3 o'clock in the morning, they don't get back in bed within 10 minutes or whatever the hospital sets. Again, we can send that notification to the nurse and just let them know that there may be an issue where the person's fallen in the bathroom, for instance. One of the features for Care is obviously a concern that people have about privacy in the room. We can also put anonymization onto the product. And so what we're seeing here is if the person is in bed, we're seeing a green block around them. If they're standing, there's a yellow block. And if they've fallen, that block will turn red. And that basically is a way to just give them a little bit of privacy in their own rooms.